Alright guys, we finna get onto the video like this. Finna get into it and start talking about, well, get back on the Tahoe. It's been a while since we've been on the Tahoe, and I mean, I feel it best that we go ahead and jump back into it. It's a lot of stuff that we gotta do to the Tahoe. Hold on. First thing first, everybody who new here, hey, welcome to the channel. Everybody who returning, you already know what it is. Alright, so, as y'all know, the Tahoe been down for a while after the accident. And we just been down anyway, man. So we're gonna hop back off in it, man. I had a little time to change some shit around. And we gotta make sure everything's still up to par, everything's still playing. We're gonna probably take the doors off and change the doors. And we're gonna do that because of the fact that when the deer hit it, it actually bust my panel. It's a bummer, but at the same time, I mean, shit happens. So we're gonna change all that around. Alright, so let's just go and jump into the video. Let's get it. Like I say, it's been a minute. It's been a minute since we actually fucked this truck. For anybody who don't know, it's Cabin Fever 2.0, aka Cabin Fever Jr. C-pillar wall. Running 6 Scar EVLs now. As y'all can see from the front side, you know, when I just dropped that shit. And we running the Smooth Creation 20K. So we finna try to see if Duffel still got it, man. Been a while, like I said, been a while since we fucked with it, man. Sorry about the microwave box. And the black and brown, I haven't been really using none of that shit. Microwave is inside the 18-wheelers. Microwave. So we're finna give it a try. Been a while, like I say, since we actually tried anything with this truck. So, hey, why not now? Let's get it. Gonna try Chris Park again. Gonna try the...
And all of them still wet behind the ears if you ask me.
Get all this balance.
Baby, what you doing right now? Already?
That bitch got a bad ass squat to it, boy, do you hear me? So.
Listen, I used to be a player.
Let's see here.
Ripping, running in the streets all night. Yeah. I never been a hater. No. I'm always clapping when somebody else wins. I done been out there and done it all. So it ain't in that you can show me. Cause for one, you still wet behind the ears. I done lost a lot of people and it tore my heart apart. You done lost it all, now you wanna get like the God. I can show you things you ain't never seen. That grass on that other side ain't never green. I done been a fool before. I done been tricked a lot of times, but I learned from it all. So you can't fool. You can't fool me, baby. No. You can't fool me, baby. You can't fool me, baby. No. I'm trying to run it on somebody. You can't fool me, baby. No. You can't fool me, baby. I done been there and done that. So tell the truth and shame the devil. I used to be up in a dope house. Oh, tugging at the club, trying to take me some home. Yeah, I worried the hell out of my mama. Oh, I remember when she got me out of jail. She ain't raised me like that. No, I done had a whole lot of nothing. I done balled hard and I done did a lot of struggling. Tell me what you know about it.
As we can see, doors still playing great. Woofers don't sound too bad either. But we're gonna let the voltage build a little, and then we're gonna jump right back up into it because, like I say, it's been a while. My voltage is around about 14.6, 14.7. I normally charge about 15.6, 15.7. So yeah, we got a while to go. Man, fuck that shit. Fuck it.
Let's get a little glimpse of some wham out of this bitch. Fuck that. I mean, I ain't gonna go too hard with it, but you know. And I think I'm kind of low on gas. I haven't drove this thing since God know when. Guys, we're low on gas. We're pretty low here. It's cool though. And check engine light on. And you know what? Let's not worry about all them lights there. Put a piece of something up there, some kind of tape or something. Let's just hide it. Let's hide the lights. So let's just, you know, just a little small little sample. It ain't got to be that major. Small sample. Small sample. And then we'll come back after I charge it. I'm just gonna put it on the charger and just put it on the charger. I ain't got time. And we'll come back and actually see exactly how she performed. But right now, just a little smaller sample. Go to song when I want some wham out this motherfucker. We're gonna go to Crib Park or do it for the motherfucking cash. Let's get it. We're going.
Be scared to be yourself and say this who I am, then you ain't gonna get that coin like that.
Y'all know it.
Cash out. You ain't making shit if you just doing it for the crowd. You ain't making shit if you just doing it for the crowd. You just doing it for the crowd. Hey, baby, shake, 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 shake. Fuck crowd, do it for the crowd.
I can't lie. We're gonna put some gas in this thing. I can't lie, man. It feels great, bro. Like, it's a lot back there. Is it louder than the Golden Eagles? Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. I can feel it. Fuck yeah, I'm not even gonna count, man. That shit like 10 times louder than the damn Golden Eagles, man. I fuck with Golden Eagle, but I can't lie, man. Them EVLs, now I'm riding to a .67, so I know fucking well it's gonna be a lot louder. Doors still sound great. Man, I gotta get this barrier to build, man. So I'm not gonna just beat on it, cause like I showed y'all in the video, I'm dropping down in 13s, and my truck hardly ever see that. So that's how I already know. When I started it up, man, my battery voltage, it took forever just to get up to 14. So I know for a fact, it was like, man, y'all gotta take a consideration. The truck been sitting for a while. And well, a couple of weeks ago, my partner, man, I shit you not, my partner, he came by. And it was like, shit, man, let's put the truck back together. I'm like, man, matter of fact, help me with the fucking truck real quick. And I haven't touched the truck since then. My partner, I shit you not, he just died. And the shit hurt so bad because majority of the bills that I have done out here, when I was getting them jobs done like in a day, shit, like, man, he was right there beside me. Like, he always stayed beside me when it came down to me working or us doing something out here. Even us getting in the shit, we always been real close. And I started to tear the wall out because it's not right. All right, the wall is not right for the subs back there now. But since this was the last thing that he touched, I'm not taking it out. I don't care if it's not loud enough. I don't give a fuck. I'm not taking it out. I'm not. So, with that being said, this bitch will be a C-pillar wall to the day it die. Yeah. Because I'm not taking it out. It took a lot for me just to do this video. But I'm like, man, I ain't made no video in so long. Bro, I kid you not. They killed my boy, man. He did outrun the police. From my knowledge, he outran them. And he took out running. And basically the police shot and killed him. All right. That touched me. That really fucking touched me. So, I'm going to build this truck completely. Whatever back there, going to stay back there because his handprint was on it. So, I mean, I'm going to leave that alone. I'm not taking the wall out. We put it in together. I'm not taking it out. So, that's dead. So, what we're going to do now, you know, while I'm over here feeling all bad, we finna go get some motherfucking gas before this bitch give out. And we're going to hop back in this probably about another week. I'm just going to leave it on charge for about a week. And then we're going to come back and make sure that everything legit, man. I got ants and all in here. It been a while since I've been in the truck, I'm telling you, man. It been sitting. We put the swords in here. We didn't do no kind of testing, and then we just put them in. And I'm like, fuck it. He went to work. Well, he went in New Springs, and I went to work. So I'm gonna go to work, go up here and work on some shit. And then he ran up here. So, you know, we're like, man, well, we'll just hop on that week. All right, that week came, I ain't come home. Week after, he died. So, that touched me. That really fucked me up. All right, I'm just gonna be real. That really fucked me up. It got me to the point where I'm not even doing people cars anymore. The only reason I took on that Chevy was because of the fact it's a job that me and him supposed to done together. I really ain't working on nobody else shit no more. Sorry, dog. Really not. Don't even care. You got Jimmy Carr stereo, sound station, all kind of hood people around here, and all kind of shit. Go there. I don't care. Money don't make me. I make the money, okay? It don't make me. I'm straight. So, hey, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, man. Your boy out of here, man. Let's fucking get it, man. Y'all be safe, be easy, and stay tuned, because I'm going to make sure that bit beat. What I tell you? Let's get it.
From it all, so you can't fool me, baby. Oh no, you can't fool me, baby. You can't fool me, baby. Oh no, try to run it on somebody. You can't fool me, baby. Oh no, you can't fool me, baby. I done been there and done that. So tell the truth and shame the devil. Yeah. Tell the truth and shame the devil. Tell the truth. So tell the truth and shame the devil. You ain't gotta lie. Tell the truth and shame the devil. Get it off your mind. Tell the truth and shame the devil. Get it off your chest. Tell the truth and shame the devil. I ain't nothing wrong with telling the truth. Tell the truth and shame the devil. The truth gon' set you free.